Hey guys, it's Gimme That Grand. It's the new Bao Zhu Zhao Fu Firecracker game with the wheels. Scott loves a wheel. We're gonna try it out. We're gonna try to get that maxed out major. Look at that major. Let's see if we can do it. All right, everybody, we're back at it. We're at Red Rock.
The brand new Firecracker wheel game, huh?
Brand new Firecracker with a wheel game, and the major is maxed out at 1,000 right there. Yep. Maxed out major, guys. So we need to freaking win. We need to win. Did you check the volume? It's in the menu.
I will.
Yeah, let's do that. Gotta have the volume. And we're gonna start on 5 cent, 250 bet, guys.
See what we can do? We've been kind of wrecked this trip, so.
Oh, come on, right now. Oh, I like the wild symbols. The wild symbols look nice.
That'd have been nice. Second spin bonus.
They changed them a little bit.
Third spin
Second
bonus.
Spin bonus.
Third spin. I like it.
Oh, third
and we got the wheel. You know I love a good wheel.
Did we get double up too? Oh
if
no, that's on there.
If it lands on it, yeah.
I see. Let's go, guys.
See what happens.
Give me that maxed out major.
Just third spin in, get $1,000 bucks.
Ultra spins and 2 more coins.
Add 2 more coins. All right.
Thank you, sir.
It's giving us a little something. That is proof right there, guys, that just because the firecrackers are full doesn't mean anything, because these were empty.
100%, yeah, it doesn't matter. It makes you feel like it, though.
This is a good one to get, though, because he comes and makes more money.
Does he? I haven't seen him. I think Ultra Spins just, oh yeah. No, he should, huh?
Yeah. Oh, the mini, we got 50 bucks
hey,
right there.
now. Got some good ammo now.
There he
comes.
Here he comes, he's flying by.
Maybe we'll just get the grand first thing, you know?
The grand is at $10,103.41.
This is 5 cents too, so I mean, not bad.
I mean, we're only 3 spins in, so
Right, yeah, you can't complain.
not bad at all.
But we didn't get one on, it's over. What can you do, you know?
There it goes.
What can you do? Not bad. Third spin bonus. Let's keep her going, huh?
Keep her going.
Four spin bonus? No. Might be too much to ask for, but. So you can just spin a wheel every time. I like that.
Yeah, that is
I
cool.
like that. You know I like a good wheel. Hey now. So what happens if you get a triple spot pop? You think you get to spin 3 times or what?
I don't know. Maybe you still get to spin once, but like it's all the features. That's what I would think. I doubt you get to spin 3 times.
Yeah.
Let's get a triple pop and find out. We actually waited to play this machine. A lot of people are on it, and they only have 2 actual slot machines with this game on it. So people were just on it. We were waiting. Now we're finally getting to play
Filling up though. Come on. Hey. Hey now. Fill them up. Oh, a little wild action. That should be decent. $5, huh?
Is it 5 times 5? Oh no, just 5.
Come on. Golly.
It wants to give us that max out major, guys.
This is what I've been waiting
I
for all
wanted
day.
to. Let's go.
Man.
Wheel feature.
I'm doing the wheel
You're
this
pressing
time.
it this time? I hit it.
Major, major, major. There it was. Did you see him?
Six
Double up
more,
and
though.
6 more coins.
That's not bad. But the other one was 3, right? And this is a double up. It makes sense that they would make it 6.
No, we got 2 in the last one.
Oh, 2
Yeah,
in
we
the
got
last
2.
one.
But still. Is it 6 per game?
No, it's just throwing them.
That's too good to be true. At least we're getting features though. I mean, come on, you know?
I wonder because you could get it on the wheel, if it's harder to get the major and stuff in this now.
Right,
in this
maybe.
game.
We saved the top, cool. It's filling up.
Girl, I'm happy. This is what I want to see, guys.
Nice.
It's always good when you keep getting bonuses and wins and you haven't dipped too much into your own money.
We haven't at all. Still at 240.
So
That's really good.
that's what it's about.
Okay, starting to see a little bigger numbers now, it seems like. I saw mine are up there.
Bottom one's finished.
Mini would be nice. I mean, it's something at least, you know? That's right. Need that grand.
All right. Let me just pan it up so you guys can see right here. It's counting up. We made a friend. He came and said hi. I'm not sure how much to say, like if they don't ask. I'm like, do I just push myself and be like, yeah, we're these people, find us on YouTube. If they inquire, I love to tell them, but if they don't inquire, I don't want to make them feel like they have to do that.
Another $50.
All right, babe, let's
All
get
right.
it on.
I like where this is headed. It's weird that it starts with 1 like that, huh? Hey. Not bad.
I'd say not bad at all.
I mean,
I like the way this is going.
You want to keep giving us $10? Go for it. I think you found the magic bet, maybe, huh?
I know, but like the DJ in me
Yeah, I
is
wanna
like, let's
raise
go to 5.
Yeah, 100% I want
Because
to
the
raise
next
it.
bet up on 5 cents is $5. I'm like, let's go to 5.
Come on.
Woo. We need the triples, like we need triple of them. What do you guys think about this game? Let us know in the comments. I kind of like it.
Oh, yeah.
Because I love the Firecracker game, but we play it pretty often, so it's kind of like lost its oomph, but this is like new, so the oomph is back.
I like the wheel part.
Scott loves a game with a wheel.
I do. I don't know why.
Come on.
Okay.
2? Oh. That's the only one we haven't got, right? The green one?
True. We're going to get it right now. Almost. Come on. Hey, now.
What do you think? You want to go up to 5?
We can. I'm down.
Okay, let's
or you
do
can
it.
change Dean on, whatever you're feeling.
I think we should stay here. Go up to 5. Ooh.
That'd have been nice, huh?
Now I'm sweating again.
Still got plenty of ammo. Hey now.
Okay. Okay.
Old guy. 20. It's like $23.
Heck yeah. Give us more and more so that I could keep playing until I get A hand pay or that maxed out major.
Come on. Oh my gosh, double.
Ooh, I thought it might do
I
it.
did too.
Woo!
Okay.
Making me nervous.
Still time. Still time.
They're still showing up too. Like almost every spin. So.
Ooh. That's close. We're not even down below our first two that we put in, so
Yeah.
you can't complain.
Can't complain. Okay. Firecrackers aren't showing up. Where are they at? There they are. It hurt me.
Double with extra spins would be good. For sure. Come on.
I'm getting nervous. Okay, we're now into
Into our monies, huh?
our monies. No more profit.
Okay, come on, keep them coming. Got it.
On a $5 bet, guys.
And we can do the wheel.
And
This
give
could
me
be
the
good. This could
major.
be
Give
good.
me the major. It's maxed out,
Wheel
guys.
feature.
Is it my turn for the wheel?
Yeah, you do the wheel, baby. You do the wheel.
I like a good wheel.
Come on, something good.
Ultra spin.
One off on the major.
3 more
Yeah.
coins.
Could have got it.
Kind
Kinda
of baby
small numbers, yeah.
Oh, it always starts with baby numbers on this one though, because he adds to them.
The mini's 100 right now, though.
Yeah, it is.
Save it. There we go.
Come on, birdie, birdie, birdie.
Slap that mini in there. Come on. Okay. Uh-oh.
250.
Come on, we gotta save it right now. Hit it. Got it. That's good. That's $30 right there.
Yeah, it's looking good.
Come on.
Last spin, guys. We need to
Save
land
it. Come
one.
on.
It's all right. That's still good.
Not bad at all.
Not bad at all.
Definitely like $100 at least. It's very good. Very good.
Do we want to take it and end it, or are we still hunting?
No, we're going.
Do we want to lower the bet again, or we're staying on 5?
Keep going a little bit.
All right.
Getting spoiled now, you know?
Yeah, I thought it was going to be back to back to back. But
Okay. Nice little double.
still haven't popped the green one yet, though. 2 of the purple, 1 of the red.
Hey now. You want to do a bit on 2 cent?
I don't know. 2 cent has not been looking too nice for
Let's look at
us.
10 cent then, yeah?
All right, 10 cent, you say.
Let's try something different.
Yeah, if it's paying, let's try something completely different and piss it off.
Well, now you're making me second guess myself. All right, here we go.
I'm just talking shit, guys.
Come on.
Come on.
A whole double. Come on, baby.
Queens.
Yeah, that'd be good.
It was all right.
All right, it's queens, but got a red back. It's pretty good.
Bet that.
Come on, baby.
Come on, firecrackers. Are we dipping into the 2?
Yeah, of course, yeah.
All right. Balls to the walls.
I'd like to know what happens when you get like a double or a triple pop, you know?
I'm wondering, because we haven't gotten anything like that yet, if it's harder to get that because you could get it in the wheel as well.
It's possible, yeah.
Whereas on the original game, it seems like it comes more often, a double,
Right.
triple pop. Come on.
Oh. It looked good, but it wasn't. Come on.
The mini on 10 cent is 100, by the way. I don't know if we told you guys that.
Perfect timing. Do it. Do you want to go back to 5 cent? You seem to doubt 10 cent.
I'm just chilling. I'm waiting. Do you want to go back to
Give it a few more on this one, then we'll think about it.
I don't think any of that actually really matters, you know? It's just when you hit the button. I
Probably
think.
doesn't, but
That's what they want me to think, I guess.
well enough.
We needed that guy in the front.
All right, let's go back to 5 cent.
5 cent?
Yeah, why not?
Do you want to spin? You can spin if you like.
Oh, you're good. I kind of, yeah, we'll start there. See what happens. The live pay's already better, so see what happens.
All those wilds in the back.
Come on.
Come on, pop them.
Perfect timing.
It's going to give us a triple pop, that's why.
Yeah? We'll see. Come on. Nothing. Seems like they're not showing up, huh? Come on. This gotta be it, right?
I could feel your nervousness. Your vibe is anxious right now, darling.
Anxiousness. That was a good line hit. $21.
That's pretty good. I'll take that.
Come on. This would be the time for it.
It's waiting for the triple, I'm telling you.
It looks like it. I mean, they're all, you know, relatively filled up.
You know that doesn't matter, but
I know,
I think
but-
it's going to do it on a triple.
take a double. Oh, the minor went by. $200.
And after that maxed out major. Our money's getting low.
Got it right now. Come on. Dope. Gotta keep you guessing, huh? Come on. I think you're right, though. It's prime enough for a triple, huh?
Maybe. I'm getting so nervous, guys. The nerves are kicking in.
We'll put a little bit more money. Come on.
We just need one good win, you know what I mean?
Come on.
Like, I just don't want to be left disappointed. That's all.
Another 100, huh?
Might as well put in the 2.
The 2? All right, you got it.
If you want. I don't care.
I do. We're in it now.
I think we should keep the same bet, though.
Yeah.
Because 5 is pretty good if you could get a good triple pop. The next is, what is that? 750? 7? This one? It's a little high.
Oh my gosh,
minor,
do it right
come
now,
on.
baby.
We
It's a $200
got 2
minor.
minors because it's
Is it double up? Yeah.
double up.
Wow. Oh, we're in it now, aren't we?
We're in it now. Now we're at the point where if we lose this whole thing, everyone in our videos will be like, they should have left when they
Should
won.
have left, yeah. You were up.
But it was so early.
Come on.
Oh, we're gonna get a triple pop.
Hopefully.
Yeah. What time is it?
It's like 3:30.
Okay, we're making good time.
Come on.
Give me a triple pop. Come on, baby.
Yeah, this kind of went from fun to
Nerve-wracking?
not as fun, you know? Come on.
Scott's getting real nervous now.
Okay. Got our bet back. Bet back.
Bet back. Right now.
Come on. Double.
Oh.
At least we got our bet back.
I just want to see a triple pop, okay? Give it to me. We haven't even got one green.
Come on.
And that one seemed to fill up the quickest, and we didn't even get it.
Ooh, a 10 got
See the silence? See it?
what, there's nothing to say right
hear
now.
the silence?
Yeah. Probably just hear me breathing.
Scott's having a panic attack.
I'll take both of those all day.
We also just want to make our videos a little longer. We didn't want to end the video so quickly for you guys. They all have only one.
Like, how can we leave
firecracker
now?
left.
Come on.
Maybe we won't have to leave. Maybe we'll get a bonus right now.
I mean, that's the plan. That's for sure.
Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous.
They're still showing up, but come on. Hey now. Uh-oh, it's dying down.
Last
Green
spin
guy.
bonus.
I mean, we're in this far. You want to just do more?
I
I mean,
don't
it's a
know.
triple. Let's just do it.
I don't know. I don't know. I hate when you ask me those questions.
It's just money, you know?
Sticking a 5 cent?
Yeah, sure.
I think probably. I don't know.
All right, so we're in at 6. This is going to have to be a hell of a fucking bonus. There we go.
If anyone could do it. What would this be?
750.
Do we want to do that?
Yeah, we can.
Are you sure?
Yeah, why not?
All right, guys. We need a bonus. If you're going to add more money in, sometimes it's worth upping the bet.
Oh, for sure, yeah.
You know?
Come on, here it is. Double. It's got to be a big bonus, though. That was a good one.
Yeah.
35 bucks.
Okay, we won. Let's go.
We haven't won yet.
We won 35 bucks.
Come on. Okay. That would have been the perfect time for it. Come on. Oh.
Mini.
Why did it make a cash noise?
$150 mini because it was a progressive. It makes a cash noise when a progressive lands.
Come on.
Are you having fun?
Not really. Hey, that's
Don't
a big ass
gamble unless
fucking
you're having
ball.
fun, guys.
Get that big ball. Come on.
Right now.
Just do it. It's a nice little double. Down 5 now. Come on.
Ultra spins
my
double up
God.
pretty good too.
Oh, hell yeah. At this point, anything would be good. Come on. Okay, just give us that mini.
Oh my gosh. You know someone's just watching us waiting
Oh, hell
for us
yeah.
to get up there. Like, look at how much money they're
Let's
giving
go.
us.
Come on. This is not looking good. It is not looking good. Come on. Yeah, I know, right?
Praying. Oh, look at all the wilds.
Just do it, please. Oh my gosh. It wasn't even that good for all those wilds,
Yeah.
huh?
Because the symbols in front weren't very good. All right, we're done. Is that it?
I have one more 100 if you want to do it. Just let her in, but
Do you want to use some of your free play?
Yeah, let's do it. We'll cut this part out for you guys. Don't worry.
Or we won't. I think we're gonna do one more. We said we were only gonna do 4, and then look what happened. Can
All
we
of
get
a
it?
sudden
Can we
we're
get
at
it? Can we get
6.
it? Can we get it? Can we get it? Please, 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 please. Maybe go back to 5, huh?
Maybe so.
Alright, I'm gonna go back to 5 because it's too wild to do anything more. It was 80, by the way, but that's alright.
That's all that. I'm not gonna sit here and put all the ones in. That's ridiculous.
Yeah, we're not doing that. Just need one good bonus, guys. These machines have done this to us, though.
Oh, many times, yeah.
We've put in, I don't know, $1,000
Yeah.
at Resorts World on these stupid Firecracker machines.
Need that mojo.
The mojo's looking bojo. People are hacking up lungs. We're losing.
Come the fuck on. Just do it.
Oh my god. Just getting wrecked. Alright. Do one more at 250. Got wrecked, guys.
That was
Well-
not a good time.
Red Rock has really kind of destroyed us this trip, which is sad, but Red Rock has destroyed us every time we've stayed here.
Yeah, when we visit,
stay
it's
in a
fine, huh?
different
Yeah.
hotel and come visit, we win, and when we
Yep.
stay here, we get wrecked. Well, we appreciate you all. We love you all. Thank you for watching our long-form videos. Stay happy, healthy, and wealthy. Check out our merch store, GimmeThatGrand.com.
And we'll see you next time.
See you next video.